Hi, welcome to the Flowerman. No. Oi, welcome to the Flowerman. No. Hi, welcome to the Flowerman. That's good. Hi, welcome to the Flowerman. How are you guys doing today? Good, me too. Come on, let me show you around. This is where all the magic happens. This is my stomping ground. I cut the flowers back here, grew to some jams. It's really awesome. Come on this way. Up here, we have our design station. This is where the designers live. Hi, Carol. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. This is my good friend, Carol. She designs a ton of beautiful stuff. We love having her here. Come on this way. All right. Oh!
Oh no.
It's my best friend, Melissa. Come on. All right. Okay, Melissa. What is your favorite flower?
It would have to be the protea.
Oh, excellent choice. Okay, Melissa. What is my favorite flower?
I bet it's the protea.
That is incorrect. Sorry, Melissa. All right, let's look around. So this is my favorite flower. This is called coxcomb celosia. We get it from Little Creek Valley. It's especially nice this week because it's multi-purpose. You can put it in an arrangement, but it also works as a self-defense. So come get it while you can because these are a hot ticket item. All right, we have some beautiful bouquet callas here, wrapped all nice, beautiful, pristine condition. Let's come around here, some kangaroo paw, which are super fun. They're bright yellow, which is a great fall color. We're super stocked today on all of our roses. This is probably one of the longest rose setups we've had in a while, which is super exciting. Over here we got some hanging amaranthus. Some hanging amaranthus, which is always beautiful. I like to put it on my head and pretend that it is my hair. Let's see what else we have. We have some status, which is nice and bright. I like this kind over here because it looks like a night sky, kind of like a painting, which is always very charming. And besides that, we have some great fall colors. It's getting to be that spooky time of year. Oh, wait, where is it? All right, there's something that is perfect for the spooky season. If I could just find it somewhere in here. This is a strantia, or I like to call it a strange because it's so strange looking. So, if you got some free time, come on down to the Centerville location, Flowerman, and come into our retail cooler and buy a bunch of cool stuff. We have a great selection. So I'll see you when you come in.